Hello, everyone. Welcome to the CTAC update while on lockdown. I'm Patrick Rowe, and today I'm going to give you an update on the Metalux FPS. The FPS panel provides the high performance and aesthetic appeal of a flat panel, while also providing the flexibility to adapt in many situations. What makes the FPS flat panel so versatile, you say, is a simple switch to adjust the color on site as desired. You could also set the lumens and watts as needed for any task. This is all located just right on the side of the driver. The low-profile design is ideal for shallow plenum grid ceilings. You could also suspend it or even surface mount it. As you can see, FPS is an excellent lighting solution for retail merchandising areas, commercial office spaces, healthcare and education. Some of the reasons which make it such a great fixture for these types of facilities is you could customize your CCT and lumen package to fit your needs. And after you have that set, you could lock it out. It also has integrated grid clips for a quick installation process and an impact and scratch resistant lens, so you could easily wipe it down for cleaning. Hope this was educational for you, and if you're looking for local stock, please go to our website and download it here. Thank you so much for your time today. Please contact your local rep with any questions that you may have.